How to make highlights on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create Instagram highlights to keep your favorite stories on your profile permanently. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, swipe right from the home page to access the camera. Now tap on the gallery icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now scroll through your gallery and select a photo or video you want to add in your story. Now after selecting, simply tap on the arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, you can simply tap on share to post it as a story. And once the story is posted, you can simply tap on add to highlight. Now choose an existing highlight or create a new one by giving it a name. And once you are done giving name to it, you can simply tap on add and then tap on done to save your highlight. And that's it. That's how you can create an Instagram highlight to keep your favorite stories on your profile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.